Hey everyone, welcome back. If your HP DeskJet is running low on ink, today I'll show you step by step how to replace the cartridges the right way. So let's get started. First, make sure your printer is turned on. If it's off, press the power button and wait a moment until it's ready. Next, open the ink cartridge access door. On most HP DeskJet models, this is located in the front or under the scanner lid. Once you open it, the cartridge holder will move to the center so you can replace the cartridges. Now, find the cartridge you need to change. To remove a cartridge, gently press down on it until it clicks, then pull it out toward you. Do the same for the other cartridge if you're replacing both. Newer DeskJet models usually use two cartridges, one black and one tricolor. Older or larger models may use 4 separate cartridges. Whichever model you have, the steps are the same. However, let's now install the new cartridges. Before installing them, remove all protective covers or orange tape. Be careful not to touch the copper contacts or ink nozzles, as touching them can cause printing problems. Now insert the new cartridges. Hold each one with the label facing up and slide it into the correct slot, black in the black slot, color in the color slot. Push it in until it clicks firmly into place. Most printers also have a small picture near the cartridge area showing you exactly where each cartridge goes. After you insert both cartridges, close the ink access door. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tech tutorials.